let's learn some colors and shapes. Green color, pink color, dark pink color, light yellow color, olive green color, yellow color, pink color, maroon color, sea green color, sky blue color, purple color, black color, orange color, blue color. Let's draw the shape. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star, purple color, hexagon, hexagon, purple color, sea green color, circle, circle, sea green color, red color, pentagon, pentagon, red color, sky blue color, triangle, triangle, sky blue color, maroon color, heart, heart, maroon color, yellow color, star, star, yellow color, purple color, sea green color, red color, sky blue color, maroon color, yellow color, hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.